Welcome to Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing you a baby card featuring the Valentine Edges, the Color of Puppies Girl paper pack, the clear stamps and the coordinating die set. So I'm going to show you how to create this card. And these are the products I use. So this is the clear stamp set. So it has the little ladybug, the dog, the bear and the mouse, and then it's a girl, and here it says My Little Princess. So that's a clear stamp set. And then we have the coordinating dies, and of course when you don't have a die cutting machine you can also use just the stamps. And then here I have the Valentine Edges, so it comes with 3 different shapes, and I'm going to use the scalloped with the dots today. And then the Color of Puppies Girl. We also have a Color of Puppies Boy collection. And first I want to tell you, like, the front of the paper is the same quality. It's a beautiful quality paper, and it has the same quality of all the other sheets in there. So you can actually make some cards with the front paper as well. You see, so here I can make like 3 or 4 cards just out of the front paper. And then when I flip through it, you can see all the beautiful patterns. So the little mouse, little dog, the bear. So it's all in here. Beautiful paper pack. And then here I have some cards that I created using the same paper pack and the dies as well. So here's the little mouse, and here you see I use the edges in a different way, like this. And then here I have a card with the ladybug. And here another one, and you see here I use the little hearts and a sentiment, a love sentiment, and the Hello Cutie. And then here I have the little mouse again. So lots of fun to work with, and kids will love that. So you can use it for babies, but you can also use it for toddlers. Fun card. So this is the card I'm going to create, and then this is the card I have here already. So this is a little piece that came out. So what I did, so I put my die on here and I tape it with some removable tape. So this is the removable tape. And I run it through, and what I do when I use my big shot, I just go in and out, so back and forward, because I don't run the whole card through, because then you might get scratches on the cardstock from your plates if your plates are a little bit damaged already. So so I take off the removable tape, and you see, and then I have my edge here. And then this is the end piece that came out, but I saved that because I'm going to glue that. In this case, I'm going to glue that here. So let's do that first. So how I do that, I take a little bit of glue, put it on my hands. So just dip it in there. And what I do, I close it here. And just glue that down. You see, now I have my little edge here. Then I'm going to take my paper. So this is from the paper pack. I'm going to adhere that. So you have all those different colors. You have the lavender, the pink, the green. And this piece I just line up on that stitch line from that Valentine edge here. So that's the background. And then I'm going to stamp the little princess on there. So I'm going to use the Misti for that. So I'm going to use the Misti for that. I'm going to put a little piece of paper here because I know so this is the stamp I'm going to use. That's a little princess. And here I know I'm going off the page a little bit, so because as you can see on the card, you see I need it here because I don't want it, like the dog, of course, to cover the text. I think this is fine. Let's see if it's straight. And I'm using the Misti because I'm using the white soft finish. And it has a structure to it. And so most of the time when I use the white soft finish, I need to stamp it once or twice, so a few times. And with the Misti, of course, I can check it. You see, I'm actually pretty good already, so I'm just going to ink it up one more time. And that's perfect. So that's that. So now I have my strip of the mint green. I'm going to attach that. I'm going to put a little bit higher. I'm going to place it because here I have that nice little row of the dogs. So I'm just going to put it like so. You look at your pattern where you want to place your little strip. It can be a little bit higher, a little bit lower. And then here I have my little princess. Place that as well. Nice and centered. And then I have the little dog, and so this is the dog, so I already die cut that. So the same, I put a little bit of removable tape and just run it through the die cutting machine. And then you remove the tape. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the 3D foam tape. So raise the little dog a bit. And I place it here. And then you have your card done, ready to be sent. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and download the project sheets. And I've also suggested a couple of videos I think you enjoy. See you next time.